In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start making pixel art in Google Sheets. If you've never tried this before, Google Sheets might seem like an unusual place to create artwork. But it actually works really well for simple pixel designs. The idea is to turn spreadsheet cells into tiny square pixels. Then color them in to build your image. It's easy to set up, beginner-friendly, and a fun way to make clean digital art without any special software. First, open a blank spreadsheet by typing Sheet New into your web browser. This is a quick shortcut that takes you straight into a new Google Sheets file, so you can start immediately without navigating through extra menus. Once the blank sheet opens, click the Select All button. This is the small empty gray square in the top left corner of the sheet, just above row 1 and to the left of column A. Clicking it highlights the entire spreadsheet, which makes it much faster to format everything at once. Next, right-click on any column letter header, like A, and choose Resize Columns. Change the value to 20 pixels. This helps make each column the right width for pixel art. After that, right-click on any row number header, such as 1, choose Resize Rows, and also set that to 20 pixels. Matching the row height and column width is important because it turns the cells into even squares instead of rectangles, which gives your artwork the correct pixel look. Now you are ready to start drawing. Select a single cell if you want to color one pixel at a time, or hold down Ctrl or CMD on Mac to select multiple non-adjacent cells. This is especially useful when you want to place the same color in different parts of your design more efficiently. Then click the Fill Color icon, which looks like a paint bucket on the top toolbar. Choose a color from the palette of swatches and the selected cells will fill instantly. This is the main tool you'll use to build your pixel art, one colored square at a time. To make your artwork look more cohesive, hide the grid lines. Go to View, then Show, and uncheck grid lines. This removes the gray outlines between cells, so your design appears cleaner and more like a finished piece of art. You can also zoom out by going to View and then Zoom. Lowering the zoom helps you see your design scaled down, which often makes the full image easier to judge. When you are done, go to File, then Download, and choose PDF document to save your final drawing layout cleanly. Thanks for watching.